Let's dive into a tragic shooting and a police interrogation that went horribly wrong. We're looking at Ian Rich. April 28th, 2024. Jacqueline Perez makes a frantic, terrifying 911 call from a bullet-riddled car on the highway. Her husband, David, was fatally shot. And the suspect? Their 29-year-old neighbor, Ian Rich. Police pull Ian over in a surprisingly calm arrest, finding 5 guns stashed in his black Audi convertible. Ian's then interrogated by Detective Lucas, but guys, this quickly becomes a masterclass in what not to do. Right off the bat, Lucas skips establishing a behavioral baseline that's absolutely crucial for a suspect with psychiatric issues. See, Ian's history was alarming. He had a prior psychiatric hold and severe escalating delusions about his neighbors. He literally believed his elderly neighbors were FBI agents, using underground high-tech lasers to spy on him. Wild, right? Yet the detective constantly fumbles the facts. He keeps asking Ian about Ted, who is actually the victim's dad. When asked if he fired Ian, shakes his head yes, but says no. Lucas completely misses this huge cue. Even worse, Lucas openly talks about bullet casings with other officers right in front of Ian, a total rookie mistake. Instead of building any kind of rapport, Lucas just loses his temper, hurling emotional threats and aggressive ultimatums. Experts say threats just make suspects clam up. You've got to offer a face-saving alternative to actually get them talking. Things totally derail when Lucas starts screaming at Ian for caring more about his dog, Sienna, than the victim. Because of this disaster, Ian never confessed. But the physical evidence, like gunshot residue on his hands, was undeniable. Faced with that rock-solid proof, Ian ultimately took a plea deal, landing him over 40 years behind bars. But we're not done yet. Jacqueline Perez ended up filing a wrongful death lawsuit against the local police department. She argues the cops knew exactly how dangerous Ian was for years and just completely failed to protect the public. So it leaves us asking this chilling question. Could better police work have prevented this awful tragedy entirely?